Recommend highlight features and reviews that people are talking of. TANGME Electric Pressure Washer 3000 PSI 1600 watts Electric Power Washer 2.0 GPM High Pressure Cleaner with 4 spray nozzles Foam Cannon. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. TANGME High Pressure Washer perfect for cleaning your yard, car, and home use. The motor of this electric power washer is up to 3000 psi, 2.0 GPM max water flow, and the foam mode of this car washer machine is really good, making it possible to quickly wash your car or anything else for that matter. The electric pressure washer is lightweight, compact and easy to move due to its 5 meters cable length, 6 meters hose reel and durable wheel. With 4 interchangeable high and low pressure nozzles wash various surfaces. This electric pressure washer is an integration of high technology and refined craftsmanship, with the feature of stable quality and excellent performance. Spraying water in garden, washing cars, motorcycles, electric power-driven cars and other motor vehicles. Cleaning wall face, windows, floors, baths, toilets, and corners hard to be cleaned by manpower. Cleaning up any points on the surface of workpiece, especially some places hard to be cleaned, example blind holes, grooves and more. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.